Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we're going to be taking a look at the AutoSaver88 headlights for my Ford F-150 from the year 2005. This will fit the range from 2005 to 2008. This is a review looking at a more cost-effective version of headlights that comes in a two-pack. So let's go ahead and just jump into the quality of them and what they look like. So here we have the OEM headlight I removed out of the truck for this review, and over there is the AutoSaver88 headlight, and it looks pretty darn good. And it came with this nice plastic protector. It was packaged very well upon delivery. Always encouraging things. We can check this back here to make sure it's identical to the OEM, which it very much is. These are both passengers. And you can see that it comes with the side marker and the turn signal, and that's brand new bulb right there, so that's excellent. But it does not come with a headlight, so you're gonna have to transfer your old headlight to your new one, or just buy new headlights and put them in. I'm gonna end up doing that very shortly. So these look absolutely amazing for the price, because Ford wants a ton of money for these headlights, and AutoSaver88 has them for $84.99 on Amazon. So, and it comes with Prime. Who doesn't like that? So that is really, really cool that this company is making headlights that are more budget friendly, and they look exactly the same. This is exactly what I would want for my vehicle, because I am into the stock look. I didn't want something that looked really, really tricked out. I wanted something stock, and that's what you're getting here for a pretty solid bargain. Okay, so a little bit of a problem with this electrical connector and the turn signal. This is made a little too big to go into this housing. I actually ended up splitting mine a little bit. You see that? So I'm gonna have to be a little smart about this one. So if yours isn't going, it might be because this one is made a little bit too big, but for the price, I think I can use the old housing. So what I've done here is got the old housing from the bulb I know works, and I just put the new bulb in it, so this should fit. Yeah, and it does. Like a glove. So that's good. And then we can replace the turn signal. So that's what the headlights look like. I had a little bit of trouble with the blinker electrical connector being too big for the stock Ford wiring harness there, but I just took the old one out of the old headlight assembly. And just took it out, see? And I put that into the new headlight. So a little trouble there, but not much, honestly. And for the price, they are $84.99 on Amazon right now with Prime. They're pretty good, and you get a two-pack for about 85 bucks. Ford wanted way more. So that a company comes along and makes these for much, much cheaper, and they're a direct OEM fit, and they look great, they function great, and a little bit of a hiccup, that's okay with me. I'd say these are pretty solid. They're a nice OEM replacement part. They're a direct fit. I didn't have to modify anything. It just went straight in. It looks great. It looks factory. I'm very happy with the results. If you're kind of on the fence, thinking, oh, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't buy the off-brand, in this time, I think it's worth it, because you're getting a quality part for a pretty decent price that's much lower than what Ford wanted, or at least what I could find. Thank you so much for watching. All applicable links are down below in the description. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you next time.